Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the audio problem with Ubuntu derivatives and Asus Eee PC 1101HA. This operation seems to work with distros like Xubuntu, Lubuntu, Zorin OS, Kubuntu, so probably it works with other Linux distros and other computers with ALC soundcard. You can try and let me know in the comments if you want. Okay, in this netbook we are using Xubuntu version 18.04.5 LTS, and we have a problem with the wrong settings of ALC269 soundcard. So we have no sound, and I can play any audio or video file, and we have the same problem with YouTube videos. So you can try this simple operation. Install VLC Media Player. You can install it using the software application, but I usually prefer to use the terminal. So open it and digit sudo apt-get install VLC. Password and wait a few minutes. Okay, now close the terminal and open VLC Media Player. Go to Tools, Preferences, go to Audio Settings, and in Output Module select ALC Audio Output, and in Device select Direct Hardware Device without any conversions, and click Save. Okay, now close VLC. Okay, now let's try to play an audio file. First open an audio file with VLC Media Player, so then you can play with any media player of your operating system. So open it with VLC. Okay. As you can hear, the audio works correctly. And now let's try a video file. Unfortunately, the video are very slow in this old netbook, but it's only to try the sound, and the sound works correctly in videos too. And remember that now you can play YouTube videos too. Okay, honestly I don't know if someone used this type of computer in 2021. This is a very old netbook. I usually like to use this old computer to try different operating system or different open source application. Anyway, I hope this video will be useful for someone. Thanks for watching.